welcome to Better and Brighter Minds. Today, we are going to be reading a story called Hide and Peek by Rookie Toddler. Come and play. Hide and seek. Close your eyes. Do not peek. We will hide here and there. Come and find us everywhere. I am in the box. I am out of the box. I am over the box. I am under the box. I am in front of the box. I am behind the box. I am up. I am down. Now you hide. We will seek. We will close our eyes. We will not peek. So this is a really good story to teach you about positional words like up, down, in, out. And it's good for opposites too. It's a really good book for beginner readers and babies. Thank you so much for reading this book with me today.